Francesco? Yes. We did have 500 on a 14. That was our first spin. That was good. That was excellent. Alright, guys. Close your bets. Thank you. And the lights. I'm coming in. 13, 15, 31, 36. Good stuff. 115, 36. Sweet 16. Low, even, tier section. 911 total winners, yes. Say 1, 2, Alkan, Law, and Walken as well. So congratulations to you. Let's proceed. 22, 48, 934 hot numbers. And bank time's over. 422 on 24, a 5 on next on 24, looks good. It's number 1 from our flying's first card. Nice, 948 wins, money, honor, banner, Hermod, and 4464 as well. So 4-digit win once again there. I see it. Time for next round. Ball spinning. So just a little more time, everybody. Just a little more time for you. And the betting time's over. Thank you. We have 6, 11, 22, 100 exit. Nice. Even high number. And there we have it, 950 of the total winners. AO for 2 with auction and receivers as well. Thank you. New rounds. 30, 11, 13, and 27. Thanks. Good luck. We're moving on. I like to move it, move it. Thank you. Back to close. Don't share your numbers. No one's gonna call you. 6, 27, and 28. 127.